Hey guys, so in this video I'll be mentioning some of the best 5G rugged phones with night vision cameras. Now, night vision cameras has lots of uses. Okay, many surveillance cameras utilizes this technology. What it basically does is it brings images out brighter in low light condition, and rugged phones that support night vision usually have IR emitters at the rear, or IR lights or infrared lights, anyone you call it. So these infrared lights assists in taking brighter images in low light conditions. So in this video I'll be mentioning some of them. I won't be able to do a deep dive because I'm currently working on other things. Okay, anyway, if you know of any rugged phone that feature a night vision camera, a 5G rugged phone guys that feature a night vision camera and it's not been mentioned in this video, then feel free to share in the comment section below. So without further ado, let's check them out. So these are some of the best 5G rugged phones with night vision cameras. As you can see, they're actually quite nice rugged phones. Some of them retails for around $500–600, so not all of them are actually, very cheap. Anyway, share your thoughts in the comment section below what you think about these rugged phones. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.